Hi, Coram. How are you?
Hello, I am fine. You?
I am fine too.
Do you enjoy eating out?
Yes, I do. I'm a foodie and enjoy checking out foods at different places.
How often do you go to restaurants?
Very often, I eat out almost every weekend.
Who do you usually go to eat out with?
I, most of the time, go to eat out with my friends who share the same interest in food. We look for places we've never tried before. I also eat out with my family sometimes, especially on family occasions such as on birthdays.
What do you like most about eating out?
I mostly like flavors and colors, and I like to be with other people. I love sharing food with my family and friends often. It's a way to socialize. In fact, eating out has become one of the most popular forms of entertainment.
Have you got a favorite restaurant?
Yes, I have. It is called Royal Spicy. I really like this restaurant for its food and ambience. This is the restaurant that I used to visit a lot with my friends and made some great memories at that place. The best thing about that restaurant is that they have great service, and it is a perfect blend of home-cooked food and chef-made food.
Would you recommend it to your friends?
Yes, I would. I recommended this place to a few people and they all loved the place.
Do you like eating at home more or eating out?
I guess I like them both. I prefer eating at home during the weekdays and then go out and try some new places and foods at the weekends.
Do you think people eat out more these days than ever before?
Yes, I think so. People these days lead very different lifestyles from that of the past. People are now busier and most of the people either live by themselves or in a small family. Therefore, a growing number of people prefer eating out.
Why do you think people go to have their meals at a restaurant?
Well, I think some people live alone and don't like cooking or eating all by themselves. And therefore, they prefer to have their meals at a restaurant. Moreover, restaurants have a variety of dishes in their menu to choose from, which attracts some people too.
What are the some problems do people experience due to eating at restaurants?
Well, there are quite a few. Restaurants could be occasionally very busy and you might find it difficult to find a seat if you haven't booked one beforehand. Most of the time you have to wait for quite a long time for your food and the quality and taste may not meet your expectations and, of course, it is much more expensive.
Are there a lot of restaurants in your hometown?
Yes, there are. Although most of these restaurants serve local and traditional foods, some of them serve continental dishes. And the number of restaurants here is growing constantly.
Do you think doing restaurant business has become a trend these days?
Yes, I think so. For example, the number of restaurants here in my hometown has been doubled over the last few years. People these days prefer to eat out and, therefore, a growing number of people are investing their money in restaurant business.
What is positive about eating out?
One of the main benefits of eating out is the convenience factor. When you eat out, you don't have to worry about grocery shopping, meal planning, or cooking, which can save time and energy. This can be especially appealing after a long day at work or when you have other commitments.
Oh, look at the time. I've got to get going. See you later. Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Take care of your health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Subscribe.